Okay, as you can see, I've got my drawing done here, straight into the software designed for this particular lathe. Hang on a sec, let me just zoom out. Okay, and we are ready to process, so bear with me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So you can see here it's just saving the GM files. If I just save here. And you can see it simulates what it's going to do. And there we go, parting off. Okay, so I need to close the simulation. Go to process it. Okay, and it's now initializing the machine. Okay, just asking me to auto home. So I'm afraid this is a very long and boring process. And that should be around about it. Okay, so we have auto home the machine, and it is alright, fit a workpiece. We've already done this. It's asking me to enter the workpiece stick out, which is 40.5. Okay, and it's ready to start manufacture. Okay, cycle start. Okay, and he's just going to change the parting off tool. Parting off. Okay, that's the end of our manufacture. If I can spot where it is, there we go. So you can see, oh, very blurry. So you can see I've got a little component here. I won't pick it up because it'll be extremely hot at the moment, but you shall see the rest on the finished article.